Vender-Heda Shelves Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional company specializing in designing, manufacturing, selling, and installing all types of displays and storage shelves, supermarket equipments. Vender Shelves Company Limited, located in Pazhou, the exhibition base of Chinese Import and Export Fair Complex. We participate in many exhibitions every year, such as Canton Fair, T-Log, Logistics 2018, etc. We have made various fashionable and creative shelves for different well-known brand customers. Our products are very popular in Southeast Asia, America, South America, Australia, and Europe. Our factory has various machine equipments, such as punching machine, pressing machine, bending machine, welding machine, and so on. Our products include the following series: warehouse storage shelves, light-duty shelves, medium-size shelves, heavy-duty shelves, warehouse racks and storage pallets, supermarket shelves, light-duty gondolas, heavy-duty gondolas, promotion carts, shopping trolleys, shopping baskets and checkout counters, tool display racks, and more. All the products can be customized. We have gained great credit from our foreign customers. We serve clients with the consistent principle of the best quality, durable structure, perfect design, punctual delivery, and customer satisfaction. Scientific designs, delicate workmanship, reasonable prices, and the best services make our corporate image perfect. Our development relies on your active participation, and we will make every effort for further growth. For your support, we will move forward and further be the perfect shelf manufacturer and your best business partner.
We could provide you one-stop racking and sharing solution. Any requests of warehouse rack, supermarket shelves, and to display, welcome to contact us. Let's work together and make your business more profitable.